Hey, we started on a new project over here in Gulf Breeze, Florida, Woodlawn Beach Road boat ramp. We're going to remove the old dock that was here. It's kind of in bad shape, falling apart. Go ahead and reinstall it, get it back in place. It's 217 foot. If y'all would stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell, you'll be notified when I get this video posted. But I've got one here that we've been working on some more maintenance on trailers that we've had, about 15-year-old trailers. Stripped them down, primed them, painted them, put new lights on them, brakes on them, and got everything working real good, looks sharp. We just like to keep our equipment up and running good, so y'all let me know what you think. If there's any comments you got, leave me a comment. I'll be happy to respond. Thanks. This trailer's really given us many years of good service. It's 15 years old, so it's time for an update. Got all the decking removed from the trailer. Now we're going to knock some of the rust off of it so we get a good coat of prime on it. We went ahead and removed all the wheels so we could access the wheel wells real good, get them stripped down. Now we're going to go ahead and grind them down, give them a little makeover as well. Yeah, we got the final coat of paint on the trailers, got the decking reinstalled, got the DOT tape on, tires put back on, all the LED lights serviced and working properly. Also had the brakes checked, so we should hopefully get another 15 years of service out of this trailer. It's definitely been a good trailer. And this is our 30-foot gooseneck trailer. We've already had it painted, new DOT tape put on, new LED lights put on, brake service. Now we're going to go ahead and get the decking stripped off of this one here and get it looking in tip-top shape again. Here's another one of our projects while working in the yard. Grinded down this excavator we've had in works for probably 3 to 4 years. Had a lot of salt corrosion on it, so we got all that ground off, primered it up, and got her painted again. Looking like a new machine. got Tanner's crew over here working on their push boat. This is the boat
Michael,
that
let's
pushes
make
their
a
barge.
YouTube famous.
Oh man,
Trying to do a makeover on it, get it all cleaned up, new bottom job on it. Got a couple of fiberglass holes in it we got to repair. Get that thing looking good and back in the water.
No, Jerry don't want no part of it.
Alright, we got all this equipment back in tip-top shape, ready to get it back into action. Hey, y'all stay tuned to the channel and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you got any things you want to see a little more detail of, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to see if I can't make that happen. Thanks a lot.